What's good, y'all? About to send this link out. I'm going to go ahead and get started. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Couple setups we're looking at right now. All right, we should be back in business. I had to reset my thing. Let me know if y'all can see the screen and all that stuff. Can I buy GBPJPY? Did you watch the Sunday chart analysis? We just dropped the Sunday chart analysis. Well, not just dropped. We dropped it like a while ago, towards the beginning of Tokyo session. So did you watch that? Let me know if you watched that. If you haven't watched that yet, make sure to check that out. Dropped that at 8:31 p.m. EST, so like right towards the beginning, a couple hours after markets reopened. We are looking for buys, but you're asking, can you buy right now? I mean, you can do whatever you want, but I can tell what I'm personally looking for, and that's why I asked you to watch that, because I went over in that video where we're looking for buys at, where we're looking for sells at, specific price points, and all that good stuff. So make sure to watch the Sunday chart analysis. As of this stream, I'm looking at two charts right now. In particular, I'm watching GN and GJ. I'm looking at a possible GJ buy, and I'm looking at a possible GN sell. If GJ can hold 189.40 as support, we can look for buys going to around 189.90. If we can break and hold that as support, we can look for continued buys going to around 190.50, 190.60. And then we're looking at a possible GN sell as well. If they can break and hold 525, 520 as resistance, we can look for sells going down to 470 and then possibly even 420. Those are the two charts I'm looking at right now. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. I'm looking at charts up in the chat. What's going on? What's going on? How you feeling? Screen good? Okay, perfect. All right, cool. Just dropped the video before the weekend started on, I think I dropped it on Saturday. Yeah, so make sure to check that out. I'm about to drop that in the chat as well. Make sure to check my most recent video. Got a whole bunch more stuff dropping for y'all this week. You already know. But yeah, right now we're just patiently waiting. We're watching GN and we're watching GJ right now. These are two charts I like right now. I was just joining the stream. We haven't entered this trade yet. Go ahead and hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal and free telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. You got any questions, drop them in the chat. When you're looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. Right now we're watching GN and we're watching GJ right now. We're going to go over in a little bit how we did last week, how we're doing so far this month. We got a new 5-minute about to pop up in a little bit. As far as news, let's go to pull that up. We don't really got anything going on today. Again, we do got a Canadian and a USD bank holiday today. So those pairs might be a little bit slow. That and on top of it being a Monday. And then we do have some Australian news later on when the markets reopen tonight. But that's pretty much it going on today. So I guess it's going to be a regular Monday. Just going to be strictly just waiting for our confirmations and setups and the volume to come into play. So we're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. It was like, gee, it's about to try to hold this level. But I see how this 15 closes. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Y'all see it scroll at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram is playmaker_way. TikTok's _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. So while we're waiting for this candlestick to close, let's see what DJ is doing. They're doing pretty much the same thing. Let's go over how we did last week. So hit that first link in the description. First thing you're going to see is the Sunday chart analysis. I dropped this at the beginning of every week. It goes over not just what I see price doing Sunday night going into Monday, but what I see price doing the entire week. This is how we did last week. So we went 5-0 last week. Monday we caught 1,214 pips. Tuesday we caught 63 pips. Wednesday we caught 14. Thursday we took 0 trades. And then Friday we caught 6,000 pips. And in the week with a total of 7,291 pips caught. 7,277 strictly with the members. Quick right here is going to take the beginning of the week where we drop the Sunday chart analysis. Like I said, we do this every week. And then we hit TP1 on GU on Monday. We took a gold trade. We took both of these during the London session live on Monday. All teams got hit on gold. GU wasn't moving as smoothly as gold last week. Then this is how we did on Tuesday. So yeah, we do recap the day at the end of every day. As you can see, we post screenshots, positions, signals, student results, all that good stuff. And then if you scroll to the 4th, you're going to see, well, we're going to see how we did the week before that. We went 6-1. But if you scroll to the 4th, you're going to see how we did last month, January. We ended at 20-0, catching 37,620 pips. Again, every trade posted has the date, the time, personal entry, SL. All wins are posted, all losses are posted. At the recap of the day, we post, what TP got hit, how many pips got caught, all that good stuff. So make sure to explore the channel. And then if you scroll to January 4th, you're going to see how we did last quarter. And then if you go to photos, of course, you're going to see over 1,000 photos of the screenshots of positions, student results, testimonials, all that good stuff. So make sure to explore and check that out. Now, new 15 did just pop up. Looks like GN is trying to hold this as a resistance. So I'm about to write this trade idea because I do like how this is looking right here. I'm still watching GJ as well. As far as the other charts, I am watching them, but I kind of like these the best right now, which is why I'm just focusing on these right here. You guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. Or look at your charts, drop them in the chat. you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. We're looking at charts, drop them in the chat. We're just chilling right now. We're just waiting for our confirmation. As you can see, prices just been chilling in place since the live started. Those just joining the stream. We have not entered anything yet. These are just trade ideas. Go ahead and hit that first link in the description on the first email from Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. What's going on, my boy Shawn? How you feeling, man? What's going on? Again, right now, it is underneath this level. As you can see, for literally the past hour, it's just been chilling at this price. So we don't want to just be under this. We want to see if we can hold that as resistance. And then, of course, we want to see volume kick in to show that it's ready to make the next move down. Right? Because, again, kind of similar to what took place here. Price was chilling underneath this level for like 3-4 hours. But then once volume came in, it started to push. And the same thing here when we broke this next level here. Or did the next move, price chilled here for a few hours, did a retest, then took off. So we're just waiting to see if we can hold this level. Because again, we're going to the daily time frame. We clearly see price is no longer in the uptrend. And if we can break this support level, we can see the next lower low get made right here. Because again, if we look at last week, 2 weeks ago, price was holding this level as support. In order for price to continue to push to the downside, it needs to break support levels and treat them as a resistance for the trend to continue. So that's what we're watching to wait and see if price can do right here. Let's get rid of this real quick. But right now, it's kind of just chilling in place. Usually a similar situation. We need to see if we can break and hold that support. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. And when we look at any charts, drop them in the chat. But we're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. Those that just joined the stream, we haven't entered anything yet. Go ahead and hit that first link in the description. Join a free signal, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourself. Yeah, price just been chilling here. We might see some action. We got a new 15 that popped up. So G is still holding this as resistance. And then GJ is also still holding this as resistance. I dropped the video over the weekend too, y'all. Make sure to check that out if you haven't. I just dropped that in the chat. You got any questions, drop them in the chat. When we're looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. Those are just on the stream. We haven't entered anything yet. We're watching GN and we're watching GJ. We're looking at possible GN sells and we're looking at possible GJ buys. No, I'm not. Nope. I'm looking at GJ buys and GN sells. I'm not in anything right now. I'm waiting to see if GJ can hold this low as support. By the way, make sure to watch the Sunday chart analysis. I dropped the Sunday chart analysis last night, going over what I see price doing this week. So make sure to check out the Sunday chart analysis. But I'm not in any trades right now. If I'm in trades, you'll see longer short positions on top of candlesticks. But that's why I have them specifically to the right. These are just my trade ideas, not in any new positions right now. We're going to see what this next 15 looks like. Make sure to hit that like button too, y'all. Yeah, we ain't taking any trades, but that's how trading is. We're still going to be on live, of course. But that's just how trading is. Not going to just hop into trades immediately all the time. We did have a couple days like that last week, but that's not how it is every day. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When we're looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. Again, price is still holding this level, but it's just been stuck. It hasn't been moving. Where we look at prior to London session, we had a nice little drop to the downside, nice little clean pivot. So since we're high, we literally see this was real cancel. The price has just been stuck here in place. So again, even if we enter the trade now, it's not like we would have been missing out on any pips. We'll just be flickering in and out of blue and red. So we're not really missing anything. We got a new 5-minute about to pop up. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, y'all. I see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram is playmaker_weight. TikTok is _playmaker_weight_. Post daily on both pages. Y'all can also contact me directly on there. Make sure to hit that first link and join the free signal for your Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month or last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. We went over how we did last week and how we're doing so far this month. We went over how we did last month as well. We'll pull it up and go over how we did last quarter. Again, we don't really got any news popping off, and we've got a Canadian and USD holiday today, so do keep that in mind. I was looking at some GJ possible buys and GM possible sell, but literally since we've been live, price has just been chilling in place. Nothing we can really do about that. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When we're looking at charts, drop them in the chat. I just dropped a video over the weekend. If y'all haven't checked it out yet, make sure to check it out. I'm going to drop it in the chat right now. So GJ ended up rejecting. So we're still going to be looking for buys. So we're either going to wait for it to try to reattempt to push back up and break this level, or we're going to watch it see how it acts around 188.75, 188.70. And then we might look for a buy setup there. The GN is still just hugging this level, chilling. We got a new 5-minute that just pop up. We do got a new hour popping up in a little bit. So we're going to see how that hour looks like. But yeah, price is just kind of taking a nap right now. Again, which ain't too much of a surprise because Mondays and Tuesdays are usually the slower days of the week. And then on top of us having 2 bank holidays and no news, not too much we can really do about that. Oh, looks like GM's about to try to finally make a move. Get this trade right there. So if you guys got any questions, drop in the chat. When we're looking at the charts, drop in the chat. Yeah, so as long as it doesn't rip, we're going to wait to see what the next 15 looks like. If we're going to hold that, yeah, GN's rejecting. Let's see if GA is doing anything. I got an alert on GA, so you're going to keep an eye on those right there. Are you in this trade? No, I am not. No, I am not. Make sure to hit that first link and join the free signal free Telegram and check out the Sunday chart analysis. I went over the game plan for this week. Again, in those videos, I go over where we're looking for buys and sells at, specific price points, and all that good stuff. And most of the charts end up going as projected throughout the entire week. So make sure to watch that after the live. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. We went over how we did last week. Last week we went, we went 5-0 last week, cost 7,291 pips. The week before that, we went 6-1, catching 444 pips. Last month we went 20-0, caught 37,620. And then if you scroll to January 4th, you'll see how we did last quarter, which was October, November, December. We're obviously in quarter 1. We're in the second month of the first quarter. This is how we did quarter 4, which was October, November, December. October, we went 32-5, caught 157,608 pips. November, we went 22-1, caught 58,068. Then December, we went 22-1 again, caught 24,481 pips. In the quarter, 76-7 gives a 96% win rate. And then catching a total of 240,157 pips, 207,561, strictly with the members in the advanced play sooner room. Every trade has the date, time the trade was entered, personal entry, SL, TP, how people either enter the trade, reactions, TP is getting hit, do the recap of the day at the end of every day, do the recap of the week at the end of every week, and of course do the recap of the quarter at the end of every quarter. All wins and losses are posted. All that good stuff. You see screenshots, positions, screenshots of signals, all that good stuff. And then you click right here and go to photos. You can see over 1,000 photos of just student receipts, screenshots, positions. Well, let's actually go to the next book. There we go. No, why does Telegram do that? It would be so much easier if you just slide down. I'm trying to get it to slide down. You see screenshots of positions, all that good stuff, signals, student results, testimonials, all that good stuff. You can explore that. But yeah, so we're gonna see what this next hour looks like. Again, we got a USD Canadian holiday. We don't have any news going on during New York session. We don't have the first news event of the week until later on. Markets reopen at 7:30 EST for Australia. It looks like G is finally about to do that move we was looking for. Looks like it's finally about to try to do that move we was looking for. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. We're looking at charts. Drop them in the chat. Looks like it's doing a retest. DJ rejected that level. G. Look at the euro pairs. It's going to be hilarious if the euro pairs have some action this entire hour. No, that's kind of just chilling in place too. No. No, okay. They've all just been chilling so far. Well, at least we haven't been missing anything. Yeah, it looks like GM might try to slowly start making move. Went a little bit further, not as far as the wicks are concerned, but that's the biggest candlestick we've seen so far since we've been live. Okay, cool. Are your free signals now on with VIP signals? Also a broker. All right, so if this is your first time on the channel, yes, so this is how it works. I mean, hit the first link. You can check out the Telegram, all that good stuff. But this is how it works. The members, they always get the first signal of the day. When it comes to the members, we trade Tokyo, London, and New York session. Now, that does not mean that we trade guaranteed taking trades every session, because that's just not how trading works. That's just not how trading works at all. Now, if there's opportunities, we take them. So we go on the charts, Tokyo, London, and New York. Members get the first signal of the day. So that's why when you look at some of these records, if it's just one signal, that's why it's only to the members. But if it's more than one signal called, that's why I call the second signal. You know what I'm saying? Members always get the first signal as well as the bigger moves. But if it's only take one trade, then that's why it's only going to the members. So that's how that works. But again, all the signals I call for the members, all the trades I take, I literally break down every day during the London session lives, which is why I send the link out every day we go live. You know what I'm saying? But we also break them down and go over them during the Sunday chart analysis. So again, all the trades I take, it's not like I'm just being secret though. I'm very transparent with all the trade ideas and setups I'm looking at. But as far as signals, hit that link in the description on the Advanced Play Signal if you want signals personally and you don't want to miss out on any signals. Let's see what the other part of the question was. Broker, look at the link in the description. Broker's in the description. Also, what broker you recommend for Americans? I got a video that I dropped like a month ago. Let me drop that in the chat for you. Here we go. Yeah, so all U.S. traders, I know Canada's having some issues too. Watch that video. That's a regulated broker. Those are ones I personally tested out and have no issues with. I go over basically the important stuff. I don't go over step by step how to use the brokers, but they're pretty simple how to use. And this video is allowed to go over how to use it. But I went over the ones I use personally and all that good stuff. So make sure to check that video out. Those that aren't in the US, another broker I use is linked in the description. That one still works fine. That one just doesn't take new US clients anymore. They just not accepting current US clients. So anyone that's in the US looking for a broker, check out that link I just dropped in the chat. Also, make sure to check out my video I dropped over the weekend. Got some more videos dropping later on this week, so make sure to sub to the channel. Make sure to like and subscribe. all that good stuff. But yeah, GN is just pushing back up. GJ is pushing back up as well. So yeah, we're still gonna be watching GN and GJ. I got alerts on these. I got alerts on my other charts. But let's see what happens going into the rest of the London session and walking into New York. Because again, we do got an American holiday today as well as a Canadian one. So don't be too shocked or surprised if things are kind of slow today. Members, you already know in a few hours I'm gonna drop the New York price watch list for y'all. And by the way, Base, if you got any other question, you can DM me. But if you watch this for anyone else as well, you watch any of my YouTube videos, specifically like the ones I dropped like this year or like maybe a couple months ago. You watch the last 3 minutes of any of my current YouTube videos, my most recent ones. It goes over in detail what the advanced play signal includes, as well as one-on-one sessions, as well as the course and all that good stuff. So make sure to, watch my videos, but not just watch it just for that. But at the end of all my videos, I go over briefly in detail all the stuff that comes with it. But if you got any other questions, you can DM me on Instagram or Telegram. Instagram scrolling at the bottom of the screen. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well. I'll make sure I'm not missing anything. No problem. All right, y'all. We'll be back at the same time tomorrow. London session 3 p.m. EST.